Manipur government is making effort to introduce a bill to protect indigenous people before announcement of assembly election. Gaikhangam says lack of respect for elders among the educated is responsible for the present unrest in the state. And JCILPS catches 18 non-local workers, warns to impose ban on passenger bus services if they bring in non-locals in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam maintained that the government is making an all-out effort to introduce a bill to protect the indigenous people of the people in the State Assembly before the announcement of the election scheduled. Replying to a query by Impact News on the sidelines of a function at Takil Kolom Laikai today, the Deputy Chief Minister said the Speaker may summon the Assembly anytime as the House was adjourned sine die. He reiterated that there is no change in the stand of the Manipur government regarding the protection of indigenous people of the state. Gaikhangam also said the government is taking all possible measures to introduce the bill before the announcement of election code of conduct. He, however, maintained that all the civil society organizations and stakeholders of both the hills and the valley must come to an understanding before the bill is introduced in the assembly. The Deputy Chief Minister said the government has been closely examining the draft bill prepared and submitted by JCILPS to state government. He said it is necessary to consider the social factor, legal factor and procedure factor while framing the bill and appeal to people of the hills and valley to extend cooperation.
Sentiment, emotion, I say factors social factor, procedural factor, and legal and constitutional factors. I say home home to the Tata Bakanda, Masida, Chanaba, bottom oidravati. But the Karitoka have to know about labor. Listen, court of conduct lacking in among Sida. It depends on the civil society mayam, at the stakeholder mayam, Yanaba Purapa Makasu Pon Bado. I couldn't toning it, I quite scientific exercise takes Kandatori Habako. Aduna, I am a cooperation sick Taujari, Mududi, I am a Sumasi, the sing the labor, civil society, Tam the labor, civil society, Mayam say, Mayamna, Yamin Nava, Port Makak Port Nava, Hona View.
Gaikhangam said lack of respect and regard for the elders among the educated young people is responsible for the present unrest in the state. Speaking at the prize distribution function organized by Social Development Organization at Takil Kolom Community Hall today, the Deputy Chief Minister stressed the need to understand the significance of age-old traditions by the students and at the same learn their lessons at schools and colleges to make their lives more meaningful and successful. He also urged the students to develop good work habit and imitate the people of developed countries who have a work culture. Outstanding students who have done well in the field of education, games and sports and culture were presented with certificates and cash awards of 2015-16 at the event.
Madugi afabadi ko lausi thabuk subada lemjada badona lebadigi akoise saukhat muta saukhat badona leibani thabuk suba sigi akastam toram kanda masi habit le bakanda thabuk subadi mau the masimu thun mau the leite moral se masi se achuba foundation amani sasin nakoi la su hegala ko la nakoi foundation Tamil like that to help them out. Say, Alaman Singh, hiding in Bak. I Samasam or I Samas, see, Sanapata, not Mayam, Ipunat Mayam, Kaugana. Animak said, 2 7 of a Kanda, my Bak Punsi, Matolom Bapunsi, Haidu, Oigani.
Volunteers of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System today caught 18 non-local workers travelling in a passenger bus. Despite a warning by JCILPS, passenger buses continue to bring labourers from outside the state. Those who were caught today were brought to the state to work for the railway line in Tamenglong under a Simplex company. They were produced before the media persons at the JCILPS office. The workers were brought till Mau by an Imphal Guwahati bus of Siroi Travels and then to North AOC by another local bus plying on Imphal Mau Road bearing registration number MN012085. They were caught by JCILPS volunteers at North AOC while they were being taken to Tamenglong. JCILPS convener in charge BK Moirangcha said both the Siroi Travels and local bus have been banned for 1 month. He warned the Simplex company to stop smuggling of non-local labourers into the state. He asked officials of the company to come to the office of the JCILPS to discuss the matter. BK Moirangcha warned that the company will be banned if they fail to come to the office. The labourers will be sent back to Assam in the same bus they came to the state.
Transport agency chalai singna makhatana amona pusilaktanaba koina appeal tawri masida makhatana sum leptana sum pusilakpagi thabak changelakpa taragadi JCILPS na thengna khudingi aikoi makoi singa do athing mathangani seneriba Simplex company sigi mari leinaba mioi sing JCILPS ki office ta hayeng bawgi manungda laktuna JCILPS ka makhatana wakal tamnena widamakta aikoina kauri amadi appeal tawri karimba masida laktaba taragadi Hariba Simplex company ki thabak thorom sing ase aikoina thingel pagi khongthang kaya su lorok Manipuri wang da leriba nan Manipuri people singna Manipur da horu yosi lan ubidana basu hangna sengdop kolona appeal tawri.
Several areas in Churachandpur have been inundated under flood water after a heavy rain lashed them this afternoon from 1:30 to 4. Roads in Muyavang have been covered by 3 feet deep flood water and the drains around the town are overflowing. Apunba Iraipaki Mahailoi Singpa Loop today celebrated the 120th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot at Kwakaitel Girls High School. Attendees offered flowers to the portrait of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot and an open painting and storytelling competition on Lamyanba Hizam Irabot was also held in connection with the event. Sirka convener Somendro Tokchom said all the organizations should jointly work together by leaving differences for the better future of Manipur. The 284th commemoration of Puwarigi Amamba Numit, the burning of Puya, will be held on October 17th at Iboyay Mashumangli Lastanglin. Convener of Puya Maitha Kibagi Apunban Ningsing Lup, Pumanil Chandramani Kumancha today told media persons at Aukom Lup office that Puya was burnt in front of Uttara Sanglin in the Kangla during the reign of Ningthau Pamhaiba on the 17th day of Mera, October 5th, 1732. He said 4 subcommittees have been formed for the commemoration.
Pumanil gi maik paidagi leipang miyam da appeal tawjaning badi iramda masida yamna ngallingai matam dagi howna kanagi sumikha pondana yamna ina kera khunba mahaki pukai langai chatnabi nat leijaramba mayam adu iningthau pamaiba haktakta lising amaga satret kunthraga nithoi meragi taraga teri pan mada puyamai thakibadagi aduga loinana ramandi dharma changkhibadagi ti lamdam masida leijaramba maki ina khullaba nat chanabi culture kaya adu mangtharakpagi khwaidagi chawraba maram amani haina Pumanin Lojaduna and the Kipuya might have gaining sing Toromachisu, I could pangtok Sagadoribani.
Even though some of the polling stations at More subdivision in 42 Tengnopal constituency meets the guidelines of the Election Commission of India, some are in deplorable condition. ADC of the subdivision S. Gojendro visited 22 polling stations from 42 by 49 to 42 by 70 ahead of the 11th assembly polls. Speaking to media persons, S. Gojendro said some of the polling stations are in deplorable condition and a report has been sent to the government for minor repairing.
Police stations in Sekharamadi minor repairing to Buyana. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯔ ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯌꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯆꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯔ ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯌꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯍꯛꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯝꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯛꯂꯥꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯦꯒꯥꯏꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ.
Interact Club of Maria Montessori School Koirengai was newly constituted today under the supervision of Rotary Club Polo City Imphal. Taulina Koijam and Nikki Wahangbam have been elected as a new president and secretary of the club at the installation ceremony held at the school. As a part of the function, Rotary Club Polo City Imphal President Sachidanand Salam distributed badge pins to the volunteers. Speaking at the function, Sachidanand Salam said the Interact Club has been newly constituted with an aim to impart leadership skill to the students apart from the formal education and to make them a better person.
Interactors does not have any financial commitment. There is no financial, they don't have to contribute anything, and it is done, it will not disturb in the school curriculum, like Madam Principal has also said. It is basically, we are introducing them to build on their leadership skills, to work as a team, understand about our society, needs in our society, within yourself, within your school.
People trash a man who molested a girl inside a running Tata Winger coming from Yairipok to Imphal. The incident took place at Keshampa Junction around 5 this evening. The molesters has been identified as Muhammad Hohab, 40 years of Kairao, Mayailakai. According to the victim, people caught the culprit when he tried to evade at Churachandpur parking. Later, a team of Imphal police station picked up the person from Desam office. BJP Bishnupur District President R.K. Bimola stated that BJP councillors of Ningthaukhong Municipal Council, Ward number 7 and 13 were deprived of their rights. Speaking to Impact News, R.K. Bimola said out of the 14 councillors in Ningthaukhong Municipality, 12 are from Congress and 2 from BJP. She alleged that being minority, the allotted fund for Ward number 7, BJP councillor K.H. Sonolata and Ward number 13, BJP councillor K.H. Memton have not been sanctioned. Rural Areas United Clubs coordinating Turel Ahalmbi facilitated BJP Manipur State Unit Executive Member Sheikh Khairuddin of Lilong Chingkha Makha on his appointment as the National Vice President of Indian Sports Sangh, New Delhi. Speaking at the event held at Lilong Turel Ahalmbi Dam, Sheikh Khairuddin said, as Vice President of Indian Sports Sangh, New Delhi, he will endeavour to produce good sportsperson from the state and work to resolve issues regarding the establishment of sports university.
Sports policy ama leitaba gumi tawdoba sports university lingai haiba khotplay masisu sayen adan leiba mayam leiri university si lingnabagi sayen report si lingbagi akoi leibudu nataba madu sana hanaba pona ba honaba sayen naba lehandaba akoi si sana bi oina tawrisi pot si hekta hana leiba aduga kari tungda kari thogado bisa hana khanda pot ama leiba se masigumasi akoi central leader sin tanraga bhap tanraga thogdanaba honaba aduga loinana koi state ki oina yengkandadi sports policy si maming tige leiba thabo oina pangthokdaba masum mayam se koi sumthongna honaba lokot ki haina ai wakhan tawjei.
BJYM Imphal East District in a press note stated that the word security from the high security number plate should be taken out as it is the number plate has nothing to do with security. It also asks who fixed a price of Rs 650 for two-wheelers and Rs 1,400 for four-wheelers and to clarify why the installation work of the number plates has been assigned to a private firm. Old Manipur DPC completed candidate of police constable May 2013 in a press release said they will hold a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. at Nongmaibung Community Hall and asked all candidates and their guardians to attend the meeting. Residents of Moirang Kampu staged a sit-in at Moirang Kampu Thongkong against the hurling of bomb at the house of Moirang Kampu Pradhan El Indira last night. Members of Moirang Kampu Union Club and Maira Paibis of Moirang Kampu Nupi Thaudang Loop took part in the protest. Speaking to media persons, Moirang Kampu Union Club Secretary Laishram Prasanta said entry of outsiders at Moirang Kampu Gram Panchayat has been restricted.
Ngasi langjamlaniba thamlaniba bom asigi matangda khoi Moirang Kampu Union Club na ngasi kumna khana khoi ware mo lojare ware badudi numidangi matamda theng matam habdi maram sadana khoi laikai da sangbadu khudak tagi na thingjanjare haibu famasi khoi karigumba yanaraktri bo haibdi khoi panchayat asigi pradhan makha tabna sigumlaba ahenba khoi thretan to ki hanba chathar makhan khudingi ahenba ki thang halok patargani masi khoi pradhan asi khoi laikai gi club amajung Mera Paibi khuding na khoi ngak sindana leigini haibu khum si khoi pirep lokjar.
Saikot Subdivision Committee in a memorandum to the Chief Minister yesterday drew his attention to the urgent need for proper functioning of the SDO office at Saikot. It said the people are fed up of going back and forth to obtain even a simple domicile certificate, tribe certificate, income certificate from the SDO office located to the farthest north of the SDO Tuibong jurisdiction. The committee urged the government to open the SDO office with full staff headed by SDO not lower than the rank of MCS officer will be certainly made by October 11th. 12 Bihar of 9th Sector Assam Rifles conducted a lecture on army recruitment for students of Special Regular English School Sabalaikai in Bishnupur district on September 22nd. They spoke on how to join the armed forces and their benefits. The students also interacted with the army and queried about the career prospects, life in army and different facets of life in the security forces. More than 120 students took part in the lecture. Director of Veterinary and Services in a press release stated that the last date of admission to one-year veterinary field assistance training course of 2016-17 has been extended to September 29. Details may be seen on the notice board of the Directorate at Sajinthong or Veterinary Field Assistant Training Center, Borompad. The 58th Autumn Festival kicked off at Liwa Chaning in Chandel district. Liwa Chaning Youth and Cultural Club organized a festival which aims at conserving the culture of Monsang community. Traditional sports, cultural dance and folk songs were performed as a part of the festival. Saplings were planted by actors at Andro Santhay Natural Park as a part of the 11th Foundation Day of Cine Actors Guild Manipur. Chairman of Film Forum Manipur L. Surjakanta, President of Cine Writers and Playwrights Forum Manipur Manau BMM and President of Cine Actors Guild Manipur Takhelambam Lokendro among others attended the function held at Andro Santhay Natural Park. Takhelambam Lokendro expressed actors of the state will take part in the issues facing in the state.
Aikoigi actor kharasi masing yamba natti aduna aikoi actor sing asina film bunung sibiba mai aikoigi lamdam sigi miham ga lunana manipuri film asi matam sang na lainana bohana bada khoina lokhat payaba thabak lokhat chaduna pangba mateng pangtuna punna honamene gani aduga loina aikoigi manipur da lairiba aikoigi kare haitare manipur gi indigenous people singi chatna kanglon leijariba lol amadi atei phija chaksa mayamasu aikoina utna hanajagani.
The Film Society of Manipur, the third oldest film society in northeast India, will be revived at a meeting of former members of the society and film enthusiasts in Manipur to be held on Sunday at State Information Center, DIPR, Palace Gate. The society was founded in 1966 by Hijam Romani as president and Nomaitim Sharad as secretary. New office bearers of the society will also be elected at the meeting. Writers Forum Imphal today organized a second Meet the Writer event at Manipur Press Club. Renowned Manipuri writer Kumanthem Prakash was the guest at the event, attended by several well-known literary personalities of the state. Writers Forum Imphal's President Lama Bambirmani president over the function. Writers Forum and Manipur State Kala Academy organized recitation and quiz competition for students from class 9 to class 12 at Manipur Press Club today. 21 students took part at the recitation competition, while 18 students are participating in the quiz competition. Speaking to media persons, former Secretary of Writers Forum Laishram Somarendra said they are organizing the recitation and quiz competition for students with an aim to promote the Manipuri language.
Writers from Imphal na aikoigi literature aikoigi khorirol sakhotpa amadi masibu akoina awangwa thaka thangat pa basi aikoigi haurukleba aikoigi angangsing asi khangandragadi aikoigi lolgi phajaba aikoigi literature ki masak asi khangandragadi khudima ariambani habasi khanjabaga loyena aikoigi lol amadi aikoigi literature bu sakholanbagi pandamda asigumba aikoina aikoigi ngasi gi asigumlaba station amasung kui sangdano thorongchi pangthok chabane.
In sports news, President of Manipur Tourism Forum Dr. T.H.W. yesterday flagged off the 78th adventure course organized by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association from the Kangla Rock World, Minuthong. The 15-day-long adventure course at Manipur Mountaineering Institute, Lamdan, is participated by 40 trainees from different parts of the state, including 14 and 8 sponsored by Manipur Tourism Forum and 9 Sector Assam Rifles, respectively. MMTA President N. Ibungo Chaubi said the course has been designed to provide the youth with the 4 attributes of endurance, courage, comradeship, and excellence. He said it is done by exposing the youth to both the imposing might and beauty of nature through outdoor exercises, including trekking, rock climbing, watermanship, map reading camp, preparedness on disaster management, bushcrafts, and jungle survival. Manipur's senior Wushu team left Imphal today to participate in the 3rd Federation Cup Wushu Championship to be held at Punjabi University from September 28 to 30. The teams comprises of 10 each of men and women players and 2 coaches and 2 managers. General Secretary of Wushu Association of Manipur, M. Biramani, flagged off the team at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium.
Mamangi chahi kya da akhoi team masina adum akhoi overall team champion hadna lawna lakpani handok se akhoi hariba akhoi gi hana gi position adu hanjinabu damta akhoi yam kan sem sabaga loina akhoi gi Manipur gi praja section khudimukta khulona du khurumjari madudi soingam daba amasung Manipur gi ijat asi hanugumna handok su soidana purako oisan.
26 state-level age group and inter-district carom tournament kicked off today at Nepra Menjor Pukri Mapal Youth Development Association, Sagolband. The tournament is organized under the aegis of All Manipur Carom Association. Imphal Municipal Corporation Mayor S. Sunil, NEMYODA President S. Sunil, and corporators of ICM Ward number 7 and 10 and lovers of the game attended the opening event. Thangmaiban Kangkut beat Salungpham Kangkut 62-58 in a league match of the 2nd W. Gopalab Chand Singh and Shyama Devi Ningsing Kang tournament. AKU played at Ima Angobi Community Hall, Kongba Lashram Laikai. Langmai hit Kangkut will meet Salungpham Kangkut on the 26th of this month. Winners of the Under-19 Junior Girls National Football Championship held in Cuttack, Odisha were felicitated today. The felicitation was held at the residence of El Dinamani at Haubam Marak, Laurembam Laikai. Certificates and gifts were presented to the young women players. Retired Commissioner R.K. Nimai, AMFA President S. Anatomba, and several AMFA members congratulated the players and wished them luck. The first state-level sub-junior swimming competition will be held from October 8 to 9 at Porumpad Modern College Swimming Pool Complex. The competition is organized by Modern College Swimming Development Committee under the sponsorship of Modern College professional swimmers Parents and AJs of Manipur Swimming Association. The competition will be held in 3 age group of 3, 4 and 5 in freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke and butterfly. Speaking to media persons, Modern College Swimming Pool Chief Coach Ten Subam Thauba said the competition is organized with an aim to encourage the young swimmers of the state.
Swimming is matamama yamna pura sidaro matun hanta koi sub-junior nation da koi gold medal manga trukal lo udna silver bronze lo khodna yam phajal performance pere to makha na mathangi chahida hena phajaba performance pina bidam ta parents sing na koi khana jaraga smai tawna sigi kano je sinjabani ado October gi laiba tang nipan mapan ji any ban blockade nge tobidana yamna phajana pangthokpa ama ohenbi haina aina Modern College Swimming Development Committee ki side amadi teaching and non-teaching staff ki side tagi aina kano lebak miyam da paujena ma thamjari.
Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur government is making effort to introduce a bill to protect indigenous people before announcement of assembly election. Gaikhangam says lack of respect for elders among the educated is responsible for the present unrest in the state. And JCILPS catches 18 non-local workers, warns to impose ban on passenger bus services if they bring in non-locals in Manipur.